Hey, have you seen my previous videos where I talk about some of my ultimate favorite real estate projects in Batumi, luxury escapes, as well as middle class properties, comparison between the projects as I walk through? If you have not seen those, you might be interested to check those ones after this video. And this video is kind of logical continuation of those ones because in this video I'm gonna cover the topic which was not covered in those videos. This is about the voodoo topic of black framed properties. This seems like Georgian specific term. Most of the people are confused. What are at last black framed projects and what are the renovation costs of it? So now let's go to one of the projects which builds black frame flats and see what's going on there, and then let's talk about our experience where we helped our clients renovating their own properties. Yes, we help clients in renovating properties. We are not a renovation company, but we help people buy flats and renovate after they buy it. Only those clients who buy from us flats, they can benefit from us, from our connections to help them to manage renovation, let's say. This is really beautiful view. This building is going to be finished in September. If you want to buy fully furnished, it's finished in December. And you can buy fully furnished black frame or white frame, it's up to your choice. This has really nice uninterrupted views, also some partial sea views. Also the mountain views. In the black frame projects, you will have windows and that's pretty much it. You don't have any kind of utilities inside your flat. It's on your door, you need to install everything, and you don't have walls. If you want to know more detailed explanation about white frame, black frame, green frame, I have a dedicated video about that. Now as you have seen the condition of black frame properties almost finished, as well as pricing in Batumi. Now let's talk about how much is finishing. Renovation costs. As per our recent experience for our clients, we finished flats similar to what you see in the video. From black frame to total renovation, including bathroom and ACs, the cost per square meter you should calculate on average $300, but as the material prices are always constantly increasing, price of renovations are also increasing. This is prices of our affiliate company. Prices for the companies itself, so almost every development company offers you finishing, renovation, but usually their prices are more expensive than what I have said right now. Next question is, what is difference between finishing white framed and black framed properties? Price difference is around $80 to $100 per square meter. And now let's talk about furniture. What's the cost of finishing and furnishing middle class renovation? Of course, the average price for finishing it, I'm talking about furniture and all kinds of appliances. You should calculate additional $80 per square meter. So what we got now for black frame, total $380 ready to live.